Our eyesight is one of the most important senses. 80% of what we perceive comes through our sense of sight. But could you imagine waking up one day and finding your eyesight to be blurry or worse? Deterioration of existing eyesight can feel frightening and overwhelming. But vision impairment is a reality that millions of people worldwide live with. Unfortunately, it is an inescapable part of aging. And by the age of 65, 1 in 3 people will have some vision-reducing eye disease. Moreover, certain eye diseases like cataracts and glaucoma may lead to a complete loss of vision. But what if there was a way we could reduce the risk of vision loss and significantly improve our eye health at the same time? MFPLUS presents Nano Organo Peptides, NOP-Eye, a compelling tissue-repairing therapy with potent bioactive ingredients for your eye health. This solution consists of organ-specific peptides of the eye and optic nerve, with a molecular size of less than 10 kilodaltons, that allows them to be easily absorbed and reach the area of their target regenerative activity, restoring the eye functions at a molecular level. Indications: NOP-Eye aims to improve the risk of vision loss in patients with progressive conditions while also supporting eye wellness. That's why NOP can be used as a treatment or as a complementary and preventive therapy for all forms of retinopathy, optic nerve and macular dystrophy, supplementary treatment of glaucoma, retinal detachment, age-related and post-traumatic disorders of vision. How does it work? Due to the nano size of active ingredients, proteins start to gradually penetrate the cornea and conjunctiva, getting into systemic microcirculation after the solution is applied into the pocket of the eye's lower lid. Since NOP peptides have homing properties, they will eventually accumulate at the target areas of the eyes, where they will start to promote their biological functions, restoring damaged retinal and optic nerve cells. Over time, a natural process of eye's regeneration will improve a patient's eyesight, delay eye deterioration, and reduce the risk of possible complications due to the development of age-related eye diseases. Even though a vision loss might be a part of aging, but it is not inevitable. Therefore, to maintain excellent vision throughout life, taking care of our eyesight is a must. If you look to bring your eye health to the next level, NOP-Eye is an essential solution that can help to improve and repair your eyesight, thus improving the quality of your life.